So with y'all today, it's Money Bag Matt. Today I'm getting my channels put on my car by Steven at Banners and Signs in Carrollton, Texas. Stay tuned. But yeah, man, damn job, bro.
Gotta make that money.
Yeah. That's how maintain a certain lifestyle, you know?
I do.
Yeah. Seems like it might rain later on today. What do you think?
I hope so.
Yeah. We need it.
Yeah, we do.
Y'all been pretty busy?
A little bit, man.
Yeah.
It's not a big company.
Oh, yeah? Y'all do like business cards, or is it only banners and...
We do. But it's super expensive because we don't print them here.
Okay.
So we outsource it, and my boss charges a crazy ton for it.
I got you.
And your best bet is if you can design them yourself, just use like this print or something.
Okay.
Same quality as what we can get, but it's gonna save you money.
I got you.
Like he charges like $100 for 250 cards.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Hey.
I mean, I hate turning away business.
Sorry to say you don't come here. Sorry. Yeah, I understand. I appreciate that. Wow. That's a lot.
Yeah, it is. Some people don't mind it because they don't want to have to deal with any of it.
Yeah.
If you have the ability to do things yourself, I would just do it yourself.
I got you.
Or if you got a friend that can help you with the artwork.
Yeah. Because I was wanting to do like some like holographic type cards, like chocolate factory type.
Yeah. And holographic cards are kind of hard to come by.
Yeah.
And they're super expensive.
Yeah. That's not just something regular someone can put together, huh?
Whenever we get done here and he's taking your payment in there, man, I'll give you a website that I use for my business cards,
Okay.
my personal ones, because I do freelance work.
Okay.
They're super nice. They're made out of like it says it's a silk paper, but it's not silk like you would wear.
Yeah.
It's just really smooth, almost like a felt, and it's got like a raised ink, so it looks real nice. But
Yes,
they're almost $1 a card, right? They're kind of expensive, but they look super nice.
I got
And you don't have to go that route. There's a bunch of different options,
Yeah.
but they're a lot better than Vistaprint.
Okay.
And for the price of what you're going to pay, they're going to look a lot better.
Okay.
When we get done here, I'll give you that website.
Man, that looks incredible, bro. Man. Sorry, you got that deep card.
Usually my arms can reach. Usually my arms can reach from the back to the window, but you got a deep window.
Man, that is. And it ties, I mean, like, you nailed it on the money, bro. It
Try,
ties
man.
all in together. Wow.
Alright, man, get your video and stuff, pictures, and then come meet me inside.
Yeah, I appreciate that. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to get banners and signs done, decals on your car, perhaps go to Banners and Signs, Carrollton, Texas. The address will be in the link in the description. And as you can see already, look how good it is, and it's perfect with my car club name. So he tied it all in together, and he's even got the money bag symbol on top. So yeah, come check them out. Yeah, so if y'all like that video, like, share, comment, subscribe. We almost at 140, my second goal for myself for the channel. So help get me there. And like always, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, your aunties, your Walmart clerk, you know, gas station cashier, everybody about Money Bag Matt. And to another one, Money Bag Matt.